Good morning everybody from Denpasar Bali Airport Domestic Terminal. Today is very lucky day. I'm traveling somewhere domestically where I never showed you on this YouTube channel yet. So bear with me to the end of today's video, guys. And this is the situation in domestic terminal. Not so quiet, but it's not so busy, so should be fine. And that's the inside the airport. When you enter, as you can see, they have machines. You can check in yourself alone if you are flying only with hand luggage like I do. And that's the few flights today. Actually quite a lot of, but that's domestic terminal, so you have a point of view where the people going and coming from to Bali. And I'm after the security check. The whole process right now is less than 5 minutes if you're traveling only with the small bag like me, so easy. Some nice Balinese decorations, Barong, it was Kuningan yesterday, and some international travelers also going domestically. So what I'm gonna tell you, this is how does it look like, and there are some shops, and there is the even Hard Rock Cafe at the front of us. And that's the terminal inside. Situation looks like this. So there's Bali United store and few cafes. There is the brand new Cafe Revolver. I'm very happy with that. And also that's the situation in the Cafe Revolver. Pretty busy, quite a lot of people, quite a lot of international visitors. They make it open, looks very pretty decent, looks like this one, same like in Canggu or Seminyak. And overall that's the vibe in the airport domestic. I will see you on the plane. Boarding time, going to Yogyakarta today by Garuda Indonesia. That will be interesting flight today. Not too many people, pretty empty actually. Boarding time today. Garuda flight to Yogyakarta. Boarding, that's the situation. Some people flying to Yogyakarta today. Been a while when I was flying Garuda Indonesia. Here we go, Garuda Indonesia. Oh, it's working. 30A seat, as you can see, not too many people, but 30A seat is emergency row, my favorite one, because have so much space on the legs. Ooh, almost like business, but no business. Same but different, but still better than rows at the front of me. And yeah, that's the situation. And nobody sitting next to me, so very lucky today. Business classes at the front as well, they have it. I'll see you on the sky. Bye bye Bali, see you in Yogyakarta. By the way, this is the sun in the background. That in the background you can see some volcano. There's a lot of volcanoes in Java. As far as I'm concerned, I'm pretty sure it's Bromo actually, because I saw on the map. Looks good, nice weather today. And here we go, landing slowly in Yogyakarta. Landing, that's actually pretty far from the city, the brand new airport in Yogyakarta, facing the fields and the mountains. And looks also pretty quiet though. But let's see inside brand new terminal. So landed in Yogyakarta for another 3 days. Basically that's the airport when you arrive to Tali. Domestic terminal totally different than the old terminal. This one is big, there's ocean in the front, not too many planes, only actually 1 or 2. And yeah, it's cool. I mean, it's totally different than the old one. The old one is near to the city center, near to the railway. But the old one is very old in general. This one is cool. Pretty nice art though, little bit dark, but pretty nice looking. This is the situation when you leave already, all the checkpoints, taxi, of course, transport options. But not that nasty like in the, like in Bali. In Bali it's nasty. Here is very quiet. And this is how does it look like outside. I gonna tell you, it's pretty fancy. I'm pretty impressed. Look at the ceiling, kinda swimming pool decorations, the traditional architecture, the gate, local language, whatever the language in Yogyakarta is. A little bit different. I'm impressed. First impression, very cool. I'm gonna tell you, very fancy looking airport, pretty big, still pretty quiet because they are just open. And Yogyakarta have really a lot of to offer. That's why I'm here for the next 2 days, or 3 days actually. I'm gonna show you around what is interesting. However, to get to the city center is about 50 kilometers, so for about 1 hour 20 minutes drive, maybe less, maybe more, depends on the traffic. Today Sunday should be okay. But yeah, it's cool. Okay, I will see you somewhere on the road. But I'm also coming here today with my Malaysian friends. Actually, that's our group of 6 people. So, well, I have an organized transport, so I don't need to show you how to take a taxi. But of course, Bluebird, Grab, all of this is possible. Well, see you on the road. Basically, the airport is a little bit of nowhere, like I mean like literally on the middle of the fields they build this, but it's cool and it's like a journey. That's our driver here focusing, driving, and we're gonna go. I'll show you a little bit.
Mistakes haunt us, but do they really daunt us? Your tongue can be sharp, you've cut me close to the heart, but we can master the art. And the thing is that these scars are scary, but they are just some old scars. We should never be afraid of them.
Then eventually we arrived at the one restaurant. That's our ride, by the way, but that's our 6 of us, so it's it's bigger car. And the restaurant looks very nice. This is like a kind of traditional place here in Yogyakarta, already in the city center. Let's see, I will show you a little bit around. That's the place. How does it look like from outside? It's nice. Weather is nice. It's very hot. Gonna get inside. I believe it's kind of tourist restaurant as well, because I don't think so locals coming to the restaurants like this one. But well, for the architecture, I have to show you. This is how the place look inside. Very Javanese style, very traditional with the furniture. Look at these chairs, actually, how old they are. Very traditional look. Not so busy, not so busy. Air conditioned room. They have some materials here, obviously you could buy, and that's how they look. The overall the situation. My friends already sitting here. Another group of people. Some pictures of the famous people who were there. Overall, that's the place. Very nice indeed. And I'm gonna show you something very interesting over here. The interesting thing is, as Mr. President Jokowi was here in September 2017, so that means the place is approved. All right, so one of the dish arrived here. This is the oxtail soup. It's spicy, as spicy as it look like, so you're taking for your own responsibility, all right? And this is the chicken bakar, which is grilled chicken Javanese style with the nice looking purple drink. And that's my friend. Hello. Okay, and for me it's the chicken rosemary here with the cheese macaroni. My friends also, they have it the same. And my friend here have a very traditional dish, but it's super spicy. Look at the sauce, I can already smell it. How spicy is it? But this is it. Okay, enjoy. Yeah. And welcome to the most popular street in whole entire Yogyakarta city, which is called Malioboro Street. As you can see, quite vibrant. Just at the beginning, I'm gonna show you around. It's Sunday when I'm filming it. Yeah, that's my first impressions of Yogyakarta today. I'm gonna show you Malioboro, not Marlboro regular cigarettes, but Malioboro Street. Basically, that's the main street. They have also the horses, the rickshaw. Yogyakarta and Java in general is a little bit different than the Bali itself. That's the main street here. There I showed you previously, that was the president house over there, and also some Bank of Indonesia and other stuff, very old stuff. And check this out, what else you can find. There is some performance at the front. The horses like this one, the rickshaw. 1, 2, and 3. And as you can see, quite a lot of people doing something, enjoying. And this is very traditional performance. Looks like this one. Here we go. The horses, the music, the traffic situation. I'm walking a little bit off the street because there is the blockage, but I just want to show you the proper vibe, the feel. Oh, the horse getting scary actually. Here we go. I wanna show you like this one walking. And then there is the performance and a lot of locals enjoying. So this is it. And also architecture is different here, as you can see that this is also the name Terrace Malioboro. That's the one of the restaurants. But overall, also you can have a rickshaw here, like this one. Here you go. in case you would like to. And of course, this is the most tourist street in whole entire Yogyakarta. Plus it's Sunday, so a lot of locals enjoying the time. Not too many international visitors may be here, but it's cool. Something totally different. And there is the Malioboro Mall at the front of us. People enjoying a little bit different than Bali Island or whatever it is in Bali. Maybe except the shops, because they look very similar to the Denpasar one. But after that is like this one, very big walking street. Actually, street is on the middle, no motorbikes, cars driving on the footpath, like a, big city in general. Some shopping options, some decorations, of course, a little bit different, and of course so many horses and well, I don't know actually what's the proper name of it. That must be some local name, but some of them they're looking really nice. And yeah, this is like you can buy the batik, of course, any other stuff, jewelry, gold. Yeah, it's like old town in Denpasar. All the old towns looking pretty similar actually, but this one have a definitely nice walking street here where you can walk and basically enjoy. And also the street looks very cool with this. I don't know what sort of name is this, but looks really cool. And mostly locals actually, mostly Indonesian people, kids. Hello, yo, what's up? Hello, yo. Here you go. That's the live weekends in Yogyakarta. So music is going from the track, because also Independence Day is coming soon. But this is it. Here we go, Yogyakarta even have a Chinatown with the nice looking gate and everything. Here we go. I'm impressed. And after that, yeah, mostly everything looks pretty the same. Very different walkings, basically, different walking street. Overall, that's the vibe. And when I'm already here, of course, there is Kopi Kenangan, which is Indonesian coffee brand. I will have a coffee and chat time, of course. This is like a little complex with something inside, but the coffee for sure. Music, musicians coming, little kiosk of Kopi Kenangan, I think is there, or maybe this is the G-Crit. This is like a mall. This is actually like a kiosk only, so no sitting. There is mixture and other places. Generally seems like a city is divided by the zones, like this one here. So it's the zone 3. Overall, this is how it is. The most popular street in whole entire Yogyakarta. Also, Yogyakarta, to compare to Jakarta or Surabaya, the architecture is small. There is no big towers, skyscrapers like in the modern cities, like for example in Jakarta. So this is more into old heritage town vibe. And of course, there's rickshaw drivers everywhere. One of the main junctions here, check this out, looks like this one. Yeah, overall this is it. This is like another object Visata or something, another street deep inside. Oh, the sun is very sharp actually, but overall business is like usual. And Jalan Malioboro, this is legendary sign also like this one. Wanted to show you. This is basically the main spot where is the sign, old sign Jalan Malioboro, and so many people coming and making pictures. Overall, that's the vibes. On Jalan Malioboro, still looking for coffee shop actually, somewhere will be nice. You can also find some traditional pasar in Yogyakarta, like an old building. Overall, more later, more busier actually is coming here. We arrived, it's time to check in. That's the name of the hotel. It's called Grand Keisha. Something like that. That's the lobby situation. They have a little coffee shop. We'll see the rooms, how does it look like inside. And this is my hotel room. Here we go. The big bed, of course the chairs. These chairs are very traditional look in Yogyakarta. TV, mini fridge, like regular stuff, wooden doors, and the toilet, of course, and then the shower. Also nice desk. That's actually very handy for working on the laptop. and there is the main road, one of the main roads actually in Yogyakarta. This building, have no idea what is it, but there, just, I don't know if you can see, I try to zoom it. Over there is the mall, I think the biggest mall in Yogyakarta. Forgot the name, cannot see, but there is the mall and empty land, obviously. This is like edge of Jogja. And that was my travel video today from Bali to Yogyakarta and my very first impressions of Yogyakarta. I've been actually in Yogyakarta once in my life, in 2018, I think in 2018. Hold on, I see the Mount Marupi at the front of my hotel room. Hold on. Basically, I nearly forgot. Over there, this is a Mount Marupi. Here we go. Like this, and you can see even a little bit of the smoke from the top of it. So as you see, actually you have a Mount Volcano view from the room. Sorry, I changed the topic, but I was just facing the window because the light coming to my face, and I see this is the volcano. So the weather actually condition in Yogyakarta is very nice. I'm here for another 2 days, so I'm gonna explore more what the best and what Yogyakarta have to offer. My first impression, of course, I'm travel. I like it. Like I said, I've been here 5 years ago, but I explore only little bit. Now I'm gonna be a little bit longer. I'm gonna have an opportunity to show you a little bit more. So I will see you tomorrow on next video from Yogyakarta, Central Java, Indonesia.